In this lesson, we are going to create React application and create a header like this and main section to list products. To get the source code of this lesson, check this link and go to video 3, create React app. Let's get to code. In this lesson, we are going to create React application. Open VS Code and from terminal menu, click on new terminal. What we're gonna do here is to create a folder inside desktop and then make React application using create React app. Go to your desktop folder. You can go to your favorite folder if it's not desktop. And here we are going to create a Amazona folder using mkdir and set the folder name to Amazona. Then go to Amazona folder. And here it's time to create React application. We're gonna use npx command from Node.js and then use create React app package to create React application. We need to set a name for the application because we are going to create front end and back end. I'm gonna set the project name to front end. So the name of this React application is front end, but we will change the title later to Amazona. By running this command, it takes a while to install all packages including React, React DOM, React Script for launching our React application. And then we are ready to open the project folder inside VS Code. Great. After running this command, we will have this message. Based on the suggestion, I'm going to go to frontend folder and run npm start to launch the React application. By running npm start, automatically your default browser will open at this address localhost colon 3000, and here you will see this page. It means that you successfully created your React application and you launched it successfully at this address. The next step is gonna be adding the Amazona folder to VS Code. From File menu, click Add Folder to Workspace and go to your desktop folder, select Amazona and click Add. Click on Explorer icon and there we are. We have Amazona folder in the workspace and here we have frontend folder that includes all files for our React application. What I'm gonna do in this step is to get rid of this content and create a header and a place to list products. Let's go for it. In the src app.js, let me hide the extra windows. Inside the header section, get rid of all content inside header and create a link for Amazona. Anchor, set href to the root of the application and set the name to Amazona. Get rid of class name here, we're not gonna use it, and also class name for the app, and get rid of import logo and app.js because we don't use it in the code. Also create a section for main and just enter list products here. It's the topic of next lesson to list products in the e-commerce website. Save the file and check the result. Here we have Amazona in the header and list product in the main section. What I'm gonna do is to make the header background to dark and make the Amazona link white. For now, I'm going to add some CSS style to form the header, but for next lesson, we will use a UI framework named React Bootstrap to make UI professional and responsive. To add style, we need to go to index.css here and get rid of style for code. What I'm gonna do is to define style for element header, set background color to dark gray using this code 40-40-40 and create a padding to 1 rem. I'm using rem measurement in this course because it is responsive. 1 rem is equal to 16 pixel. Save the file and there we are. We created our header and it's time to change the color of Amazon link to white. So for targeting that, I'm going to use header anchor. It means that for all links inside the header, set color to white. For white, I'm going to use this code because throughout this course, I'm gonna use hexadecimal color system. Make the font weight to bold and text decoration to none. I'm not gonna show underline for links. There we are. Here is the link of Amazon, the brand link, and we are ready to list products. It's the topic of next lesson. So what we did in this lesson is to create a React application using Create React App. And here is the folder structure of this project. We have Amazon as a root or main folder. Inside that, we have front-end folder for all front-end part of the project. And later, our next lesson, we will create backend folder for backend part. Also in this lesson, we created a simple header and a section to show list of products. That's the topic of next lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.